Welcome back, guys. We're back out on the trail. The original plan though was we were going to go hike into Twin Pine, but the road to Twin Pine is closed, so it can't get in there. There was another way, but also, and it says that the trail to get there is kind of in bad shape, and it says it might. That was a couple of weeks ago. They said it might be better now, but so I didn't want to risk it. I would have been stuck way out there. So we're just going to hike. We're hiking in Lightning's Bay. So yeah, Twin Pine and Lightning's Bay are both my favorite spots. So it's been a while since I've been at Lightning's Bay. So it's been about a year, so I don't mind going there again. But yeah, we're just doing overnight there. So it's about a 10-kilometer hike in. Well, I'm feeling a lot better than that last hike. If you watched the video of that last hike, when I got back, like the second day, it was just an overnighter. First day I felt okay. Not great, but okay. Second day on the hike out, I was feeling rough. I knew something wasn't right. I got home and I had to go to sleep. I woke up, felt even worse, and did a COVID test and had COVID. And I think I got it in Winnipeg, because right before the hike we came back from Winnipeg. But yeah, so I was in isolation for 2 weeks, and it hit me really, really hard. Even after I was negative, I was still feeling the effects, like day before yesterday. And actually yesterday too, still feeling really weak. But today I feel really good. And, so yeah, I needed to get back out here again soon to really enjoy it. So I didn't quite enjoy it last time with the way I was feeling. About halfway to camp. We're coming up to first campsite here, and we're going to take a break. Wow, they've done this up nice. I laid out all those rocks like that. I don't think it wasn't like that before. This bugs me. I hate this. What is wrong with people? I just quickly stepped into that campsite, and decided, no, not taking a break. Just gonna keep going. Feel good right now. We're gonna keep plugging along. Yeah. Just want to keep going. Yeah, making some good time here. So we're getting close to T Harbor, and I noticed this for a campsite. There never was a campsite here. There's a little trail going through here. That would be a new spot, because this is right before T Harbor, and there's never been a spot here before. Maybe sometime later this year we'll have to go camp there. Have to check out all the new spots. Well, we're just coming up to camp now. Faster than I thought. We made good time. We did it 2 hours. Normally, yeah, I could do faster, but I was stopping a lot to set up a lot of shots. You know, that slows us down. But considering all the filming I was doing, it only took 2 hours. Yeah, without the filming, it would probably be an hour and a half. Not bad. But I was expecting it to take a lot longer. That's good because my feet are starting to hurt. Yeah, actually, I'm glad I wasn't able to get to Twin Pine and come here instead. Yeah, I like this spot. This is the first spot. This is the first backcountry campsite I ever camped at years ago in 2007, I think. Look at this view. Yeah, I never get bored of this view. Just beautiful. Spectacular. Never get bored of that. It doesn't, you can't, video doesn't do it justice to actually being here. So yeah, we're just gonna take a stroll over to T Harbor. Maybe let her play in the lake there for a bit. Let her loose. But yeah, I'm, you know what, really glad I came here instead of Twin Pine. Yeah, I love Twin Pine and all, but it's been about a year since I've been to over here. Yeah, so we're over at T Harbor, so we're coming in to check out this spot. See, there's the sign. Oh yeah, this is a whole new spot, I think. But it's like right beside all the others. Like there's T Harbor right over there. The entrance where you come into T Harbor off the trail. Maybe try it out one time. And this is new too. They got like a lookout sign there and a trail going here. That one campsite that I always like to camp over here, you see the whole legs of the giant. I think this is just a trail that goes along to the shore, more away from that campsite. So I know before I've been camping in there, and you know, people would come through my camp just to go look at the view. Yeah, sure enough, so yeah, it comes out to that spot. Yeah, definitely a nice view. Okay, Xena, hang on. Xena wants to go play in the lake. You want me to throw some more, eh? Want me to throw another stick? Where's a stick? You get a stick? Oh, here's a big one. Oh, I threw that too far. That's too far. Go get it. Come on. You can swim. You gotta learn to swim, kiddo. You need to learn to swim. Now we're just heading over to the very end of T Harbor there. Yeah, I love it out here. This part. Great Lake Superior. Kind of see a little bit of the giant there. And then there's Thunder Mountain. Yeah, that's the legs of the giant there. It turned out to be a beautiful day. I was getting worried like right before we left. Really black clouds started coming in and then it broke right up. It rained a little bit and it just cleared right up. Xena and I are taking a little stroll up the trail. We're going towards Thunder Cape. We're not going to Thunder Cape, but just going in that direction. Now we're back to the old Chimney Trail. Just past Lightning's Bay. This is the old Chimney Trail. It goes through here, but they've closed off the Chimney Trail now because it was too dangerous. See, like right there, that's where it goes up into like a steep boulder slope that goes right up and in between a gorge there. There's a big gorge, not a super big gorge, not like the front gorge, but it goes up into there, and then you can go, connects to like the top of the giant trail, and then you go to the front where the real big gorge is. But you know what? Let's take a gander over there. We're not gonna go up it, obviously. There's no way I can do that with Xena. But yeah, we're gonna head over there. Like this trail kind of goes to the start of the Chimney Trail, but we'll go head over there, and you can really see that talus slope of all those boulders. So yeah, let's go check it out. But yeah, I guess it's really dangerous. I don't know if somebody died up there or something, but yeah, it's really dangerous. A lot of falling rock. Yeah, there it is. There's the sign. Yeah, Chimney Trail closed due to extreme danger from falling rock. Please use the alternate trail to the top of the giant, which starts from the Talus Lake Trail. Yeah, see, that's the one I always see. This is just the start of it, and it's just all boulders. So yeah, I couldn't do that with Xena. Yeah, look, actually, you can see that blue on there. It's like a trail marker, a faded trail mark. But yeah, it's all these boulders. So you gotta climb up them, and I get to a point where it gets even steeper. I've seen videos. I've never done it. I've seen some videos of people doing it, and maybe I'll insert a little clip in here if I can find one when I edit this video.
Okay, I'm still assessing whether I'm going up, but that's the Chimney Trail right behind us, going up to the top. All right, so I'm pretty much past the point of no return. Thought the hard part would be over. But I got this left. Right here. Highlighted the trip, right?
Yeah, it's yeah, I go through that, and then but it gets really steep, and it's just boulders the whole way, giant boulders. But all right, well, enough exploring. Time to head back to camp and get some supper. Okay, but yeah, one day, maybe I'll attempt that. Not with Xena. I wouldn't do it with her. Okay, let's go, Papa. Good girl. Okay, hang on. So I've been doing this for 15 years now, and then 7 years with Xena. Yeah, before Xena, I used to just do it totally solo, just me. But now I can't imagine going back like that. Can't imagine doing this without her. She's good company out here. And it's great to have a dog out here, and be with the dog. Right now she's over there sleeping. Dug a little nest there and going to sleep, but she makes things more interesting. Yeah, I can't believe it's been almost 7 years now we've had her. I've been doing this with her. Yeah, I come out here, like I said, I've been doing this for 15 years now, camping in the backcountry, hiking out here, and yeah, every year I come out here. Yeah, I brought some sausages, so time to fry up some sausages for supper. You know, I could just sit out here for hours, just sitting here and enjoying this view. I finally saw a ship. I was thinking earlier, I was hoping to see a ship. Seems like pretty much every time I'm out here, there's always a ship or two that come through. Somebody's really cozy on Daddy's sleeping bag. This dog, you know, every time at home, you know, I take her out for a walk. When I get home, always give her a treat. And now, went out for a walk, went up the trail, came past here, put the food bag away in here, and we went up the trail a little more. And now I came back, boom, she comes right to here. She knows this is where the food is. She wants her treat. So I got some pepperoni sticks for her, so I'll give her one. There you go. Enjoy. Eat it all up. Don't want to attract the wildlife. I love this, how you can see the legs of the giant. A lot of times leaves haven't fully grown in, but it's really a lot harder to see it. But that's the whole legs of the sleeping giant. Chest is way back there. Good morning, everybody. It is 5 a.m. I just woke up. Just gonna get warmed up here at the fire and then make a coffee. I love an early morning campfire. He does not want to leave. She doesn't want to leave. Got packed up everything in the tent, the air pad, the sleeping bag, and she was out when she was out of the tent when I packed that up. But after I did that, she was about to tear down the tent, and she climbed in here, and she's refusing to come out. Well, thanks for coming along, everybody. It's short and sweet. Yeah, but we're packed up now, heading out from Lightning's Bay. And so it's a 10-kilometer hike to the trailhead. But yeah, this was a good one. Like I said earlier, I'm really glad we couldn't make it to Twin Pine because I really enjoyed Lightning's Bay. All right, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing, and make sure you hit that bell notification so you know every time a new video comes out. All right, we'll see you on the next one. Bye.